Hey everyone, this is Shivani and you're watching Mental Dental. First off, I would like to wish all of you guys a very happy new year. I hope this new year brings a lot of success, happiness, and everything that you're striving for. We also hope that the Mental Dental Academy helps you get one step closer to your dream. Today we're going to explore some of the best ways to gather experience in a clinical setting as an international dentist in the US. As we all know, dentistry in the US can be quite different from what we've experienced back in our home country. Terms such as insurance, protocols such as infection control, HIPAA, community service, outreach programs, DSOs, FQHCs, what do these terms mean? It can be a little overwhelming at first, but in order to truly succeed in dentistry in the US, we need to learn all of these terms and gather more experience. Today we're going to go about step by step and learn how to gather this experience. One of the ways you can gather US dental experience is by shadowing a dentist. What do you mean by shadowing a dentist? Observing a dentist in his own dental clinic, practicing and attending patients so that you can learn how the protocol, the management of the clinic works. So now, how can you get these opportunities? First, you can reach out to your friends, family and alumni in your vicinity who may know of any practicing dentists that they can recommend you to. Second, you can send cold emails, respectfully, politely asking for opportunities to shadow. Look up local dental clinics and you can contact them and share your desire to observe. Third, attend local dental events or conferences which will allow you to network with mentors or practicing dentists around, which will also help you strike conversations and get these opportunities. Now, how does shadowing help you? The path to practicing dentistry in the US can be tedious, long and tiring. So once you've seen, observed how the dental practice works, you can make an informed decision if you want to go through this. Only a solid reason to pursue this further can help you when the odds are not in your favor. While shadowing, make sure that you take detailed notes and ask thoughtful questions. This will help you describe your experiences better in your application. Also, make sure that these opportunities are not just a learning experience for you, but this helps the practicing dentist understand you better. This can give them a better understanding of your strengths if they choose to write you a letter of recommendation for your application. Step 2 would be volunteering to help the community. Now you may wonder how helping the community can help you learn about how the dentistry works in the US. Dentistry being a people-oriented profession, it is very important to develop communication skills and understand the problems that people face. US is a very diverse country with people from diverse backgrounds, ethnicities and dialects. Volunteering with the community not only helps you communicate but also learn about the challenges that they face and how you as a future dentist can help them. Now, how do you get these opportunities? First, search online. Websites like Volunteer Match, Missions of Mercy and the ADA website often list out opportunities for volunteers. Second, you can reach out to your local community health center or your non-profit organizations in your locality and express your desire to help out. Lastly, you can also attend special events such as Give Kids a Smile Day or Remote Area Medical Program. Now, many dental schools in the US offer preceptorship programs which are observership programs. What this does is, it allows you to observe the faculty and the current students in a clinical setting. And sometimes they also allow you for hands-on training. There are various preceptorship programs offered by schools such as UCLA, Rutgers and Boston University. They can range somewhere between 3 months, 6 months to 12 months. These programs are paid and can have a visa requirement. Now, how can you learn more about these preceptorship programs? First, you can go to the university websites and look for these preceptorship programs, or you can also contact the admissions office and inquire about it. Now, how will this opportunity help you? First, it will allow you to weigh the pros and cons of the university and decide if you are a good fit for it and if you want to apply for it. Second, it will allow you to observe the faculty in a clinical setting and ask questions, get mentorship for publications. Lastly, it will help you interact with the current international students and ask doubts, which will help you navigate the application process. If your visa allows you, you can meet the requirements by the State Dental Board and register yourself as a dental assistant. This will not only help you get hands-on experience, but also help you learn different aspects of dentistry, such as management of the practice, Now, many professional organizations such as ADA, Colgate, and even practicing dentists offer CE courses. CE stands for Continuing Education. How these courses help you is that they keep you in touch with the current trends and advancements in dentistry. They also show your dedication to lifelong learning to the admissions committee. Some CE courses even include hands-on workshops. This can not only help you prepare for your bench tests, but also practice dentistry in the future and not lose touch with the clinical aspect while you're applying to dental schools. So there you have it. 5 effective ways to gain experience in the US as an international dentist. Whether it's shadowing, volunteering, or working as a dental assistant, it will get you closer to achieving your dream of practicing dentistry in the US. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover a specific topic, and I'll see you next time.